Allison. I'm a Girl Scout and I was working on my Gold Award, so we created a produce stand for the community garden that people from the community can come out and take advantage of. They can collect different seeds, seed starts, produce. She's going to put some flowers in there, and I think it would just be a good addition to the community. My brother kind of worked with the community garden. He replaced some of the beds for his Eagle Scout, and so I kind of reached out to Mr. Dudley and said, like, what kind of projects are you guys interested in doing? And he just ended up working really well with what I needed for the project, and I had a lot of fun doing it.
It's something that hopefully the community embraces and uses for years to come, and she can be proud of the work that she put into it.
We put on wheels because it was important for them to be able to move it, to make it like bring it to different locations and share it with more people. So it's got wheels that swivel and they lock, and then we put on screen doors to make it a little more ventilated so the produce doesn't get as hot. And they just open up and there's a little shelf, my binder. There's some recipes in here that hopefully people will come and exchange recipes and share that with each other. Some QR codes to fill out some surveys, give some feedback. Just hope people use it and enjoy it.